Good morning, class. Today we will discuss rational number with multiplication properties. So heading is the properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication of rational number are similar to the properties of multiplication of integer. Now come to property 1, that is closure property. The product of two rational number is always a rational number if a upon b and c upon d be any two rational number, then a upon b into c upon d, or we can say a into c upon b into d, is also a rational number. For example first, let us consider the rational number 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. Now multiplication of these two rational number is 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 into 1 upon 2 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 6, which is a rational number. Now consider third and second example. Let us consider the rational numbers 2 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 7. Then we will multiply both rational number 2 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 7 is equal to 2 into minus 5 upon 3 into 7 is equal to minus 10 upon 21, which is also a rational number. Now come third example. Let us consider the rational number minus 1 and minus 2 upon 3. Then we will multiply both numbers minus 1 into minus 2 upon 3. We assume minus 1 upon 1 into minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 upon 1 into 3. Then minus into minus, यानी कि माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन माइनस गेट्स प्लस, तो 2 बन जा 2 upon 3, which is also a rational number. Now come to property second, that is commutative property. The two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. Their product remains same if a and b, if a upon b and c upon d are two rational number, then we can say a upon b into c upon d is equal to c upon d into a upon b, or we can say a into c upon b into d is equal to c into a upon d into b. For example, let us consider the rational number 3 upon 8 and 8 upon 12. Then 3 upon 8 into 8 upon 12 is equal to 3 into 8 upon 8 into 12. In this expression, 8 divided by both term, both in numerator and denominator. Then 8 cuts and remaining 3 upon 12, and this 3 upon 12 divided by 3, both numerator and denominator. Then we will get 1 upon 4. Now change the order of multiplication, means 8 upon 12 we will write first, that is 8 upon 12 into 3 upon 8. Then we will multiply both terms, 8 into 3 upon 12 into 8. Again we will divide 8 is equal to 3 upon 12. Then again we will divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 upon 12 divided by 3 is equal to 1 upon 4. Thus this verify commutative property. Now come to the points multiplication of rational number. If a upon b and c upon d are any two rational numbers, then their product is a upon b into c upon d is defined as a into c upon b into d. For example, find the following products or find the following multiplication. First part is 2 and minus 3 upon 5. Then this is equal to 2 into minus 3 upon 5, or we can write also 2 upon 1 into minus 3 upon 5, that is equal to 2 into minus 3 upon 1 into 5, and 2 3 is 6 minus 6 upon 5. That is the answer. And second part is 3 upon 11 and minus 5 upon 7, that is equal to 3 upon 11 into minus 5 upon 7, and we can write this expression 3 into minus 5 upon 11 into 7. Then we will multiply both term. 3 5 is 15, 11 7 is 77. Then we will get answer minus 15 upon 77. Third part is minus 12 upon 7 and minus 21 upon 5 is equal to minus 12 upon 7 into minus 21 upon 5 is equal to minus 12 into minus 21 upon 7 into 5. Then we will divide 21 by 7. Then we will get the result is minus 12 into minus 3 upon 1 into 5. Then minus into minus get plus 36 upon 5. That is the answer. And last part is, here is 0 and multiply minus 13 upon 3. In this expression, 0 multiply of any number, then we will get the answer 0. So you can write 0 into minus 13 upon 3 is equal to 0.